Hi guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you how I do dip powder nails over full cover nail tips. I got this dip powder kit kindly from Azure Beauty. You can find them on Amazon, and I did review it in my previous video. I will link it in the cards below. I'm going to show you guys how I do a really easy ombre with these, and I'm going to show you guys a hack on how to do easy ombre dip nails. These are over full cover nails. Here is the dipping tray. I also got this in the kit. If you guys are interested in the kit, I will link it down below. It's from Amazon. I highly recommend it if you're doing your nails from home. It's super affordable, and you have tons of color options, and you have all your liquids as well. This is a dip liquid base, so you want to make sure your nails are nice and clean, that you buff the surface of the nail, clean it again, and apply your dip liquid base. This is step one. And then I like to pour the dip powder directly over the nail into the dip tray. That way it catches any powder that falls. You can also use a cupcake liner to do this as well. And you guys can see how beautiful this nude color is. I also recommend having a little tool, like a dotting tool, just to go around your cuticle areas after you dip in your nails, just to help with the filing process, because you don't want any of this to be stuck on your skin or your cuticles. So you just basically brush it on, dip it in, and this color is really pretty. We're going to be doing a fall ombre nail design, and I'm going to show you guys a really easy hack to do for ombre dip nails. These are over full cover nail tips. And yeah, it's really easy to do. So I do this, I dip it into the powder, I make sure I get all of these sides as well, and using the dip tray really helps with that. So the dip kit also comes with an ombre brush, which you are going to see me use later, but I do have a hack for ombre dip nails that helps a lot with this. Here I'm going to show you guys how you can use the dip tray as well for French nails. I am going to do that on the ring finger, and I do go in and I do 2 coats of this beautiful nude color to all of my nails. Before you go in with your second coat, make sure you really wipe off the dust from your first coat, and I recommend to have a little napkin or a paper towel next to you. Excuse me. And each time after you apply the base layer to your nails, just wipe it on a paper towel. It just helps your brush stay cleaner. Sometimes with dip products, a brush can get hard after a while, so I recommend doing that. But what's also great about this kit is it does have a brush saver liquid in there, so you can use that. Just put your brush in there. It's a little bottle after you do your application, and it cleans off the brush for you. But to prevent this, I just like to have a paper towel next to me, and I wipe off my the brush on the paper towel after each application. So I did 2 coats of this beautiful nude color, and now I'm going to show you guys how. See, you just pour it right back into the container. It's really easy. Obviously you don't want to do this if you are doing this on multiple people. You do not want to put back the powder. It is not hygienic, but I'm just doing these on myself, so it's a really useful way and an efficient way to do these, and that way you don't waste any product. Here I'm going to show you guys how you can do French nails. So you basically just pour in the powder of your choice. This is a really pretty, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a golden coffee orangey brown color with glitters. And you guys can see, you just basically slide it into the dip powder, and the deeper you go, like pushing your nail towards the tip, the deeper the C-curve, the curve of the smile line will be. So yeah, that's a really easy way to get French nails with this dip tray too. Now I'm going in with step 2 of dip nails, which is activator. This basically hardens up the dip powder. It's a super important step. You want to make sure you completely coat all of your nails with this. Super important to do. It just hardens up everything. And I also recommend wiping the brush on a paper towel after you coat each nail. Here I'm just doing a second layer of French on this French nail. I'm just doing a second coat, but the other nails I did put activator on, and I like to let the activator sit on the nails for like 60 seconds, and then after that you can go in with your filing. And here I am going to show you my filing routine. What's awesome about doing dip powder nails on full cover nails is that the filing is really easy. This file did come in the set. It's handy for doing nails at home, although I would invest in a larger file. I just think it's easier to do, but I wanted to show you guys everything, using everything in this kit from Amazon. Again, it's super affordable. It's cheaper to get this kit than doing one visit at the nail salon, and you have a million color options, and I really think this will last you guys for at least 6 months or so. Maybe you'll have to get more liquids, but the dip colors, there's 48 powders, so that's awesome. And then now I am going to continue filing the nails. I'm going to continue filing the nails. I like to file the sides first, and then I go up and down in the center of the nail, and then on the sides of the nail in long motions. Now I am activating. Again, this is important, you guys. It really hardens the dip powder, and if you don't do this, your nails will peel. So here's the hack for the dip powder ombre nails. What you do is, after you activated your nails the second time, you finish filing and buffing, you're taking base gel. This is Gelixir base gel. It's HEMA free. You can get it off of Amazon. And then you take the dip powder that you want to ombre with, you stick it in that dip tray, then you're dipping your nail in there and basically rocking the nail back and forth from side to side. Then you're going to use that brush that comes with the kit to wipe off any excess. But the key here is that you're only curing your nail in the lamp for 10 seconds. So you cure your nails for 10 seconds with the base gel, and then you go straight in and dip back and forth with that dip powder, moving your finger back and forth inside the tray. And that is going to give you a really easy, perfect ombre, and you use gel polish base to do this, but you only cure it for 10 seconds, and then you go in and dip back and forth. If you want the color to be more opaque, keep on dipping it into the powder, but do not dip it all the way, only halfway or where you want your ombre to start. And then another method you can do is, after you dipped into your darker powder, have a napkin next to you, wipe off the excess from the brush, and then use the color that you used for the base, and you can just tap that on to the nail bed area. And you guys see how beautiful this ombre hack turned out. You just use gel polish with it, and you cure it for 10 seconds, and then you go into your darker color, and you can do that 2 times, 3 times until you get the desired look. So I really enjoyed this dip powder kit from Azure Beauty. I hope you guys did too. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more nail art and nail hacks so that you can do your nails at home. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.